Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you quickly and easily how to pay with PayPal on Steam. So guys, first of all, I will tell you that in my case, this is my account. I actually don't have this feature. So basically, different services like this, not only the gaming services, but also the banks and stuff like that. Just basically any shops where you can actually buy and check out. They have basically this rule where depending on where a certain payment service is available, of course, whether you're in that country or not, it's going to depend. So in my case, PayPal is not available. But in general, let's say we want to buy Rust, for example, right? Just add to cart, view my cart, just remove this, and then continue to payments. So you can see, guys, in my case, it's actually not available. So the only two methods I have is Visa and MasterCard. That's pretty much the thing. So if you're in a country where PayPal has full functionality, of course, you can use PayPal. In my case, I can't, but in general, it's going to be here. As you can see, there are these icons, and you will also have PayPal here that you wish, if you wish to use it, you will be able to. And of course, you'll be able to then check out. Of course, don't forget that you will have to, of course, input your registered and linked email that is connected to your PayPal first. So you just note it here. I suppose you'll have to log in. And after that, you can just pay with your PayPal balance. Guys, enjoy. Hopefully this helped you out. And also, if you want to support us, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon, guys.